Good ideas for making YouTube videos. How-to and tutorial videos. Share your expertise and teach your audience how to do something. Product reviews. Review products and give your honest opinions on their quality, features, and functionality. Unboxings. Record the process of opening and revealing the contents of a package, whether it be a product or a subscription service. Travel vlogs. Show off your travel experiences, share tips and recommendations, and showcase the destinations you visit. Cooking videos. Share your favorite recipes and cooking techniques, and demonstrate how to create delicious meals and snacks. DIY crafting tutorials. Teach your audience how to make unique and creative DIY projects and crafts. Fitness and wellness videos. Create workout routines, share healthy recipes, and offer advice on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Educational content. Teach your audience about a particular topic or subject, whether it be history, science, or literature. Comedy skits and parodies. Make your audience laugh with humorous skits and parodies on popular culture and events. Interviews. Conduct interviews with interesting people in your community or industry, and share their stories and insights. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel too.